Guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to mention someone in your Google Sheets document. And this is very easy. So if you're working within a Google Sheet, the best way you can mention someone is to use comments. And you want to find where you want to mention that person. That could be a specific cell, right? Or a specific section that is created for comments. In my case, let me go ahead and let's say create a new section here that's called comments. So I'm going to call this one comments, for example, and let's say I want to mention someone here in this cell. Just right click on that cell here, or use the Control Alt and M to basically have that comment box appear. And here you will see that you have the option to add someone or mention someone. So you just want to use the word at, or you just want to use the at sign and just find where you want to mention them. I'm going to select an email address here, and you can see as well that you can assign to a specific person as well. It's really up to you if you want to do that, but just go ahead and choose comment. And once you do that, it's going to give you a pop-up where you can choose how you want to share that specific document with the person, right? So you can choose if they will be a commenter or editor. I'm going to choose, for example, let it be a commenter for now. And here you will see the option as well. If you want to allow anyone with the link to basically have access, you can choose this option as well and choose the rights that you want to give to them, right? Or if you don't want to give access, you just don't want to give access, right? It's really up to you. But once you do that, just simple click and comment, and it's going to basically put that person there. Or I want to mention to you that you want to add something meaningful, for example. So let's say you want to say at Anjo, please take a look at this, for example. Please take a look at this, and just basically click save. And as you see there as well, you get the idea that you can easily edit your comments as well. So once you hover over the cell, I want to mention to you that if you're going to add comments, it's better to have something within the cell, because if you notice here, once I put the comment, it doesn't put anything within the cell per se, but it puts it when you hover over it. So as you can see here, a comment is also better when you put it in a cell that already contains data. So I'm going to copy this, for example, and show you. So let's say I want to put it in this cell. I'm going to right click, and I'm going to just simply go to comments and just paste that information there, put on comment, and that's it. And so you see, for example, this cell that contains some kind of a value, once I hover over it, it kind of make more sense. And it's much more visible as well than if you have it in a cell where it's totally blank and someone can easily miss that, right? So you want to put it where someone will be interacting with the cell or know that it's boldly visible for them to see. But that's it. No, I want to also show you you can easily edit the comment and even add more things there. So you can click on a cell at any point in time, or hover over it, click the three dots, click and edit, and you can always add more things there. You know, I can add something like that or whatever. You get the general idea, and click save, and it's going to update for me there. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple how to mention someone in their comments on Google Sheets.